We are following breaking news at 5. Just hours ago, Governor McMaster signed a bill into law banning most abortions in South Carolina. Our state capitol reporter Jason Raven is in Columbia tonight, where the law is already bringing legal challenges.
The governor told state lawmakers that if they passed a heartbeat bill, he would sign it into law immediately. Before he put pen to paper today, a lawsuit was filed in federal court.
South Carolina stands for life.
It's a day pro-life South Carolinians say they had been waiting a long time for.
We will give our unborn citizens the protection, legal protections. God has given them life. We will now offer them the legal protections.
Governor Henry McMaster signed S1, also known as the Fetal Heartbeat Bill, into law Thursday afternoon. Now, the new law bans most abortions when a fetal heartbeat is detected. That's around 6 weeks into a pregnancy. There are exceptions in the law for cases of rape, incest, and the health of the mother. The governor thanked lawmakers for moving quickly on the bill.
If there is not a right to life, then what life is there? What rights exist, if not the elementary, fundamental, profound right to life? So we are here to protect that.
A previous South Carolina law allowed abortions up to 20 weeks into a pregnancy. Now, before the bill was signed, abortion providers filed a federal lawsuit asking a judge to block the ban.
By passing this law, the state has flouted the Constitution and the rights of the women of this state.
Now, Planned Parenthood of South Carolina and the Greenville Women's Clinic claim the ban is unconstitutional. Now, South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson said in a statement his office will vigorously defend the law in court.
Unfortunately, it will cost the state a lot of money we don't have right now. We're dealing with the pandemic, and we have so many health concerns in this state.
About a dozen other states have enacted similar legislation. Now, all of those are currently tied up in court, but pro-life advocates hope one of these cases will lead to an overturn by the Supreme Court of Roe versus Wade. According to the state legislator's website, this is the second bill the governor has signed into law in 2021. From the State House, Jason Raven, 7 News.
All right, Jason, thank you. To watch the governor's bill signing in full and to read the lawsuit that's already been filed, we've got it all covered on WSPA.com.